Welcome to another adventure series of surfing in Varkala. So we came here with my girls in somewhere in 2021 for the cliffs, for the food, but we stayed for this. Yes, we had one mission in mind for girls, which was learning surfing in Varkala. So here is how it went. So we had lessons almost every day for 3 days continuously, where we were taken to another beach, which is the Edava beach, which was pretty much empty during the early hours of the morning. And we had joined a surfing course that was offered by our resort in Varkala. Almost every resort offers a surfing course. So practically the first lesson we received was choosing the board that we want to do the surfing in. We always choose a foam board, and also we practice the art of balancing in shore, like what we need to do when we are out in the sea. Like we have to do some poses, we have to balance our body weights in such a way that we don't fall down. But every time we hit the waves, as you can see, we were crushed by a wave, and it was very hard to catch the perfect one. One of the highlights of this beach was that there were sediments washed off by the waves before the waves hit the shore. So that means we could stand in between the waves and the sea because there was a layer of mud in the floor, and then we can catch the waves. So besides surfing, we also enjoyed chilling by the cliffs, doing shopping, enjoying the local cuisine, trying out different cafes, and exploring other parts that Varkala is famous for. In a nutshell, we enjoyed our stay in Varkala. We also enjoyed the surfing classes and the lessons and the whole experience. So if you're looking out for surfing lessons in Kerala, do check out Varkala and put it in your itinerary and follow for more adventures.